What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best budget dash cams in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. If you're looking not only for a budget item, but the one that requires you to pay the lowest possible price that will still get you a decent product, your ideal match is the Anker Roav Dashcam A1, also known as the best ultra-cheap budget dashcam that you can find in the market in 2021. Dashcams have many features, but their main goal is to record traffic offenses, record speed, direction, and driver behavior. The Anker Roav Dashcam A1 sports a Sony Exmor sensor that allows shooting in 4 lanes at 1080p and 30 frames per second, even at night. With its 6-point image and image optimization technology, it helps us have a wider view, which automatically adjusts to external light. The Roav model adds another level of protection with its app, available for iOS and Android, so they can immediately see the recordings on our devices. Also, the Anker Roav Dashcam A1 can be connected via a Wi-Fi network, reducing the need for cables, laptops, or external memories, as everything can be used wirelessly. The onboard gravity sensor has been added for cases where the perpetrators flee the scene of an accident and make sudden movements. And yes, all of this at an ultra-cheap price for this niche. The camera also has a 24-hour parking monitor system that allows you to detect movement in the car and take a picture. Users will also be able to enjoy rather easy image management, and you'll be able to download, configure, view, and share HD videos whenever you want. The package also includes a micro USB cable, a car charger, a user manual, and a trim removal tool. It should be noted that the package does not include a micro SD card, but that it requires a separate purchase. The Anker Roav Dashcam A1 comes in black and has the size of 3.27 by 2.2 by 1.38 inches, as well as a weight of 10.6 ounces. For the listed price, we can only say that we are thoroughly impressed. If you want to get the top bang for the buck, we believe you should check out the Toguard Mini Dashcam, the best value budget dashcam that can be found in the market in 2021. The Toguard CE680 Mini Full HD 1080p control camera stands out among today's budget surveillance cameras for a good reason. It delivers a high resolution followed by infrared LEDs, as well as 32 gigabytes of storage space via microSD. Despite its small size, this dash camera accommodates 6 buttons on the back, 3 on each side of the screen. These buttons are large, but this limits the width of the screen. The side buttons on the upper and lower left corners are marked up and down. They can be used to zoom in and out during shooting and to facilitate menu navigation. The middle left button offers access to the menus. Pressing this button in photo mode takes you to the photo menu, and you have the option to delete the video file while in the playback menu. On one side of the Toguard, you find a USB port. It's used to power the camera while driving and can also be used to copy video files to a computer. On the opposite side is a slot for a microSD card. Just push it in to insert and remove the card. Finally, at the top is a small reset button that can be used to restore the camera's default settings if something goes wrong. Thanks to the rear camera of 720 pixels, users will be provided with a double view and additional protection while driving, including storage evidence and possible violations. The front camera boasts a wide angle of 170 degrees, while the back one is waterproof and has a surveillance angle of 140 degrees. Therefore, users will be able to monitor the condition of the rear and front roads, even on those foggy and rainy days. Also, the Toguard Mini Dashcam features advanced WDR technology that allows night shots to be brighter, visible, and detailed enough. This mini camera comes in the size of 2.55 by 1.57 by 0.55 inches, while the weight is 13.9 ounces. What we additionally like about this product is the rather easy installation and how the cable for the rear camera and charger is compatible with all models out there. Thumbs up. If you're looking for a budget dashcam that offers the highest possible quality videos, you should check out the Rexing V1 4K, also known as the best video quality budget dashcam on the market in 2021. So we're looking at a resolution of 2160 pixels, which will be maintained even in the cases of fast driving. Furthermore, the camera is designed to shoot in the dynamic range of light and to automatically adjust the exposure for a more balanced image. 7 layers of glass in a wide-angle lens give you 170 degrees of vision to see more of the landscape in front of you. Also, it should be noted that the Rexing V1 4K is compatible with micro SD memory of up to 256 gigabytes. The product also utilizes the innovative WDR technology, which will enable optimal shooting and balanced images under any lighting conditions. Additionally, this model comes with a supercapacitor that allows it to withstand a wide range of very extreme temperatures from -20 to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. This extends the life of the camera, improves its reliability, and minimizes the risk of overheating. Rexing V1 4K also features a parking monitoring option, which means that it'll turn on automatically as soon as it detects any vibration, and will make a 20-second video. Thanks to the onboard YD connection, you'll be able to store, share, and view recordings on a mobile device, all thanks to the application interface. Rexing V1 4K can record in a maximum interval of 3 minutes, and when the limit is exceeded, the old recordings will be automatically replaced by new ones. There is also a built-in gravity sensor function, thanks to which, in the event of a potential collision, the images will be automatically locked and protected. The device comes in black and has the size of 3.5 by 2.25 by 1.5 inches, while its weight is 2.4 ounces. Good stuff for sure. If you're looking for a budget dash camera that will deliver a performance as close to those premium devices as possible, we believe you should check out the Garmin Dashcam Mini. Not ultra cheap, but still in the budget domain with stellar value for money. Now, the Garmin Dashcam Mini GPS car camera is a practical, small device with a wide field of view. The lens can shoot at a 140-degree angle, and the high-quality resolution has the ability to sharpen the image and capture possible accidents with 1080p HD resolution. The Wi-Fi connection is built in and can transfer the saved footage to your smartphone. All you need to do is install the Garmin Drive app on your smartphone. The device is easy to install and will stand firmly in position. The company's GPS recording devices also have the ability to sync, so you can record driving from multiple angles, and the images will be synchronized on your app. The Garmin Dashcam Mini is the size of a car key, so tiny that you can discreetly place it behind the rear-view mirror. It offers 30 FPS 1-second imaging, as well as a G-sensor for collision detection. It should be noted that a micro SD card is not included in the package and should be purchased separately. The Garmin Dashcam Mini comes in black, measures 1.23 by 2.1 by 1.15 inches. It has a screen size of 1.3 inches. The package also includes a power cord, low-profile adhesive bracket, short and long USB cables, as well as a user guide. Also, it's important to note that the Garmin Dashcam Mini does not use a battery, but has a supercapacitor. Quality stuff. We've now reached the gold medalist for today and the title of the best budget dashcam that can be found in the market in 2021. And the winner is the Apeman C450. Apeman C450 is one of the best-selling products of this niche, thanks to the ability to record in perfect 1080p among other things. With a 3-inch LCD screen, you can easily watch any video, even when recording while moving at high speed. The device also boasts a 170-degree viewing angle, which provides a wide field of view perfect for viewing and tracking. This way, the dead spots are reduced by a large percentage, which is quite important in case you need evidence footage. The Apeman C450 has a built-in G-sensor that blocks the shots when the car hits or shakes. This way, the recording will not be overwritten and the loss of potential evidence will be avoided. There's also a night vision that stands out with sharp, full-color images without the need to use extra lights. This is ensured thanks to a combination of the VDR and HDR technologies, as well as a large aperture of f1.8. Another important feature that this product boasts is parking monitoring. When your car is parked and the engine's off, you may think it's not protected, but with this camera it will be, thanks to a parking mode that maintains surveillance even when the engine's off. Also, we love how the design is quite modern and will not affect the aesthetics of your car. The Apeman C450 comes in the size of 4.9 by 4 by 3.8 inches, while its weight is 11.7 ounces. To summarize, the two features that played an important role in this fella getting the gold are its built-in G-sensor and parking mode, which undoubtedly offer greater protection for your car because it'll be able to record what's happening and store evidence. You'll get a top-notch performance and high durability with this fella, all wrapped up in a modern, elegant casing and the best possible price-quality ratio out there. You wanted the best? Well, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.